He was down that hole.
Yeah. Is there a guy in there?
Yeah.
Run up to him, get him. Use the ricochet technique.
I got him? Yeah, good. That's close. Damn, dude. I'm gonna end this.
Bang, bang.
Move in, guys, move. We got 3 in that room, 1 in there, 2 in that side.
Call it.
Wait, I thought you were shooting me.
No, there's down the hall, blue hall. 3 down, blue hall. Yeah, I did too. You're clear, you're clear.
Hey guys,
I got it.
if we go back down that way, cut back, get him in the hallway, you gotta take out that window, we're golden.
Alright,
That's
cool.
right, every time. Yeah. Right. So we're gonna go through there and cut across. Yeah. Lay cover fire, and then we'll send one at a time.
Alright, we'll go.
Go. All right, I'll go to the end of the hallway, lay cover fire. Right. And then get them out of the way. Right. Who's going first?
Okay, ready?
Right. Oh, yeah.
Woo! Go around, let's go around.
Go ahead. I'm playing. You cover that doorway, right? While we stick around. Oh, I can do so they'll be focused on me. Yeah, so you focus on you guys when we turn in.
All right, let's go.
Let you guys.
I'll give covering fire.
Go ahead, lay fire. Just keep peeking in and out. Laying on there, we're gonna come around, let's flip the doorway, right? Okay. Before, hey, here.
That thing has a crazy rate of fire.
Oh, dude, I got you, man!
Get in the green helmet, I hit. So I'm gonna run up to that door.
Wait, hold on. Keep them busy, let's go. Keep it playing. You need a thunder beat down in there. Alright. Run out of ammo, dude. I need someone to take over.
I'll take over.
Take over. Go. Come on up. We should be able to move up now. Is anybody popping out to shoot?
I'm out.
Is anybody shooting you?
No. Cover me. Now they are. I'm reloading.
Yes.
On the handle.
Get over there, sneak up and...
You want to go through back?
Right. How is he not dead? How is he not dead?
Still there? Holy crap. Love that dead mouse wristband. Haha. How? What? Call that, dude. Thank you.
Oh, hey, drop off. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, but you have to run like really fast. 3, right.
Oh, he is. Move up, move up. Yeah, they're right there. I was debating whether or not to shoot them. I'm like, they're in our spawn, so. Hey, move up with me. Move up with me.
It's going. There's guys down the hallway down here.
Oh, I know what to do. Oh, you back there. There you go, Matt.
It's only been almost an hour. Only been 40. All right, go.
There's one right on after that.
I think we just need democracy in action. Everybody can stop playing on ourselves. No one's gonna go down. Is that good? Here we go. They're all alive, trust me, they're not dead. Hey, this guy right there. We got yellow right here, behind this wall. Have we got any more of the thunder bees? No, dude, he had the last one. Oh. Make sure you get it back, alright? We got a guy back here behind this wall. I got him. Get down, get down, get down.
He's dying. My AK just died.
Okay, watch this, they're coming again.
Is that bang?
You're clear, you're clear.
Hey guys,
I got it.
if we go back down that way, cut back, get them in the hallway, you gotta take out that window, we're golden. Alright. Yeah. One to the right. Watch your back. Come over there. You don't go. Grenade. Is that room? Yeah. Go, dude. Keep firing, keep firing.
Nice.
Yep. It's the ricochet.
Good hit.
Oh.
Great.
Hurt.
Oh, hit.
Let me get through here.